Hello everyone, we will solve the equation. The root is given 2 plus I. One root is given 2 plus I, another root is 2 minus I. So, x minus bracket 2 plus I, x minus 2 minus I is a factor of the given equation. Then we will solve x square minus 4x plus 5. Now, x square minus 4x plus 5 divided by given equation. The remainder is 0. The quotient is x cube plus 1. X cube plus 1 cube equal to 0. Then we apply a cube plus b cube formula. X equal to minus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we solve quadratic equation. Then x value is 1 plus minus I root 3 divided by 2. So the roots are 2 plus I, 2 minus I, minus 1 plus root 3I divided by 2 and minus 1 minus root 3I divided by 2. Another question is prove that the roots of the equation 1 by x minus 1, 2 by x minus 2 plus 3 by x minus 3 equal to x are all real. Given the equation, let a plus ib is a root, so a minus ib is also a root. Now 1 by a plus ib is x, that is root, minus 1 plus 2 by a plus ib minus 2 plus 3 by a plus ib minus 3 equal to a plus ib. Then this is equation 1. Again 1 by a minus ib minus 1 plus 2 by a minus ib minus 2 plus 3 by a minus ib minus 3 equal to a minus ib. This is equation 2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. Then we solve minus 2ib bracket 1 by a minus 1 square plus b square plus 2 by a minus 2 square plus b square plus 3 by a minus 3 square plus b square plus 1 bracket equal to 0. Since the bracket part is positive, so b equal to 0. So imaginary part of the root is 0. So all the roots are real. Then we will solve the equation if sum of the two roots are equal to 0. Given the equation, let alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 are roots. Here a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 6, a2 equal to minus 3 and a3 equal to minus 18. According to question, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 0. Equation 1. Using relation between roots and coefficient, a1 equal to a0 minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3. Putting the value a1, a0, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Then alpha 3 equal to minus 6. Again a2 equal to a0 bracket alpha 1 alpha 2 plus alpha 1 alpha 3 plus alpha 2 alpha 3. Putting the value a2, a0, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Then alpha 1 equal to root 3. Therefore alpha 1 equal to minus alpha 2 equal to minus root 3. So the roots are root 3 minus root 3 minus 6. Then other question, solve this equation using Cardan's method. We know that Cardan's method is using when cubic equation. Then it is cubic equation. Given this equation, let x equal to u plus v. Both side cube. X cube equal to u plus v cube. Then put a plus b cube formula. X cube minus 3ubx minus bracket u cube plus v cube equal to 0. Now comparing this with the given equation. Minus 3ub equal to minus 27. U equal to 9 by v. Constant is u cube plus v cube minus u cube plus v cube. Then constant is minus 54. Compare. Then u cube plus v cube equal to 54. Let y equal to v cube. Then 9 cube divided by y plus y equal to 54. Then solve y square minus 54y plus 9 cube equal to 0. Then solve the quadratic equation y equal to 27. Let v cube equal to 27. V equal to 3. 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3. 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3. From 1 u equal to 9v. If v equal to 3, u equal to 9 by v. V value is 3, put, then u equal to 3. If v equal to 3 by minus 1 plus I root 3, then u equal to 9 by v. V is 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3. Put the value, then solve 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3. If v equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3, then u equal to 9 by v. V is this. Then put the value of v, then solve 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3. So x equal to u plus v, u is 3. 3 plus 3, then 6. Then u value again 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3. Then the value is minus 3, then this value minus 3. So the roots are 6 minus 3 minus 3. Then we solve another question. Solve the reciprocal equation. Equation is this. Degree is 4. First type reciprocal equation. Standard form. Now the given equation is this. Then x to the power 4 plus 1 x cube plus x plus 2x square equal to 0. Dividing by x square, then x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Let t equal to x plus 1 by x. Both side square. Then a plus b square formula. Then t square minus 2 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Using this in equation 1. Then it is a t square minus 2. T square minus 2. Put t square minus 2 plus t equal to 2 equal to 0. T square plus t equal to 0. Then t is common. T plus 1 equal to 0. T equal to 0. X plus 1 by x equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1. T equal to minus 1. Then x plus 1 by x equal to minus 1. Then solve x equal to 1 plus minus root 3i divided by 2. Other question दिया हुआ है. Determine the rank and identify the basic column. Matrix is given A equal to 1 2 1 1 2 4 2 2 3 6 3 4. Row 1, row 2 and row 3. Then row 2 equal to row 2 minus 2 row 1. Then 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0, then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then row 3 equal to row 3 minus 3 row 1. 3 row 1. Then 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then we will change the position row 3 and row 2. Then 1 2 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Then number of basic column is 2. Rank is 2. Basic column is 1 2 3 1 2 4. Other question is determine general solution of homogeneous system. The equation is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 0, 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 5x3 equal to 0. The coefficient matrix A equal to 1 1 1 2 3 1 3 4 5. Then we solve row 2 equal to row 2 minus 2 row 1. Row 3 equal to row 3 minus 3 row 1. Row 2 equal to row 2 minus 2 row 1. It is 0 1 minus 1 and row 3 0 1 2. Then row 3 equal to row 3 minus row 2 0 0 3. Then the matrix is 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 3. The original system of homogeneous equation are equivalent. So 1x1 1x2 plus 1x3 equal to 0, 1x2 minus 1x3 equal to 0, 3x3 equal to 0. Equation 1, 2 and 3. x3 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0 and x1 equal to 0. The solution is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0 and x3 equal to 0. This is the general solution. Then the other question is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Find the equation whose roots are increased by 2, double by 3 times, remaining by 1. Solution. Given that the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Let alpha be a root of their equation. So हमें दिया हुआ है increase by 2 यानी कि y equal to alpha plus 2 यानी कि alpha equal to y minus 2. फिर दिया हुआ है डबल बाई 3 टाइम्स y इक्वल टू 3 अल्फ़ा यानी अल्फ़ा इक्वल टू y बाई 3. देन y इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा माइनस 1, अल्फ़ा इक्वल टू y प्लस 1. सिंस अल्फ़ा इज़ ए रूट ऑफ दिस गिवन इक्वेशन, सो गिवन इक्वेशन हमारा है अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस 5 अल्फ़ा प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0. देन हम अल्फ़ा का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे फर्स्ट y माइनस 2. देन पुट द वैल्यू अल्फ़ा. देन द इक्वेशन इज़ y स्क्वायर प्लस y इक्वल टू 0. देन अदर वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फ़ा इज़ y बाई 3. देन पुट the value of alpha the given equation. Then we solve. Equation is y square by 9 plus 5y by 3 plus 6 equal to 0. फिर और एक वैल्यू अल्फ़ा का पुट करेंगे अल्फ़ा इक्वल टू y प्लस 1. सो अल्फ़ा का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे गिवन इक्वेशन में. सो द अनदर इक्वेशन इज y स्क्वायर प्लस 7y प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 0. थैंक यू.